Hello, this is Dan Waters, President of Promation Systems. Okay, so what's in this presentation? First, which BPM system provides the most financial value for your company? We'll take a look at a chart that shows a cumulative net productivity value comparison. We'll quickly look at a user interface example using an advanced corrective and preventive action process. We'll take a good look at the change management plan and its corresponding implementation plan. Did you know you need a business process oversight team? As a talented force in your company, that group can help solve problems and assess new opportunities. And last, we'll review a few more things. There are many BPM systems available. So which one has the best financial value for your company? The chart below shows a comparison of cumulative net productivity values of different BPM systems. Let's look at this chart. This shows the CNPV over a 5-year period for 3 different systems. Each system has 15 business processes and 200 exempt positions or 220 online user licenses. This also states that the TrueBPM user interface is 2 times better than the in-house system and also the online BPM system. By the end of 5 years, TrueBPM's CNPV is $8.9 million. The online BPM system, which is your next best alternative, provides a value of $3.4 million, while the in-house system provides $3.1 million. You'll have a permanent advantage over your competitors who won't be using TrueBPM. The spreadsheet behind this chart also displays 15 additional charts, each of which provide a comparison of different financial measures of the 3 systems above. Promation will provide that spreadsheet after a demo of the CAPA process within TrueBPM. This is a screenshot of the description page of TrueBPM's Advanced Corrective and Preventive Action process. The first step in Promation's change management plan is to review this entire process and make changes so that it will work for your company exactly the way you want it to. For a view of this screen, which calls out some of TrueBPM's features, please download the document named System and Process Main Screens. TrueBPM is provided as a starter system, an innovative way to own and operate your own BPM system without having to start from scratch. Promation will teach your process design teams and your business process engineer to incorporate each of your business processes into TrueBPM as an automated process. So, we need to follow a change management plan and the corresponding implementation steps. First, we want your workforce to have a reasonable confidence with TrueBPM. To do that, we'll modify the CAPA process already in TrueBPM to let it do exactly what your company needs it to do. This will be done with a Promation developer and your process design team, consisting of the process owner for CAPA and a representative group of experienced CAPA users. So, your process users and the developer, collaborating together, create a process definition that becomes a common language among all members of that team. The result will be that your company will have the best automated business processes. So after step 1, your company should have a reasonable confidence that TrueBPM will work. Next, your company needs to make a decision on purchasing an enterprise license for TrueBPM. Having gone through the unique experience of designing your own process to work in TrueBPM, you will be in a good position to make a confident yes/no purchase decision. Of course, we'll assume you did decide to go ahead. In step 2, we'll do the same thing we did in step 1 with CAPA, but we'll do this with one of your processes. And at the end of step 2, your company should have good confidence that TrueBPM will work. In step 3, we'll also design, develop, and deploy one of your business processes. But here, Your business process engineer will be the primary developer, with Promation's developer taking on the role of coach or mentor. When this third process is deployed, your company will have high confidence that TrueBPM will work very well for everyone in your company, for all of your remaining processes. Your company needs a business process oversight team. This diagram shows who would be on that team. It will be led by a senior business manager who will coordinate process management among the process owners. The business process engineer is part of the business community and reports to the team leader. The process owner for every process is represented, even if their process is manual. The oversight team can speak as an expert, experienced, and unified voice to choose a business process management system, recommend organizational changes, and coordinate resources for improvement projects. The oversight team selects processes to incorporate into a BPM system, determines priorities, and designs and monitors system metrics. Your company will have a definite competitive advantage when you have a group of experts like this. All right, let's go through a few more things. First, TrueBPM has no recurring fees. The payment structure is a 4% advance payment plus 3 equal milestone payments, one for each of the 3 processes that Promation helps to deploy. Promation has 20 years experience learning what people really need to do their job quickly and well. Everyone can get in, get done, get out, and go do something else. Exactly what you need. TrueBPM uses Windows Forms and SQL Server. Windows Forms runs on the Windows operating system and both are made by Microsoft. Because Microsoft ensures that Windows Forms and the Windows operating system work together correctly before any updates are released, your developer can focus on additions to value, not maintenance. With TrueBPM and your people's creativity and skill, you can put your company on a path to outperform any competitor you have. Promation can lead a participative and enjoyable demo to show TrueBPM's advanced user interface capabilities. We'll be going through the corrective action process currently in TrueBPM. It is a great learning experience. And there are several informative documents that you can open from this website. Just push any button with an interesting title. Your next step? Contact Promation Systems. And I'd like to say thank you for taking your time to learn about TrueBPM.